Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Hummer H3 Alpha. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to remove the seats on your Hummer H3. This in particular is my Hummer H3 Alpha, and I'm going to be removing them because my interior is very dirty right now. And it's the same underneath the seat. So to make this job easier, I'm going to remove the seat so I could clean the carpet underneath as well. The tools that you're going to be needing is a ratchet, preferably with an extension, and also a 3/4 socket. And if in case you guys don't have one of these tools, you could check out my description box and I'll have links to them all down below. So we're going to go underneath the seat and look for a bolt. There's one in each corner. I've already removed one. So this is how it's going to look. And now we're going to go to the back and then locate 1 and 2 bolts, one in each corner again. Then we're going to lean the seat back. Before you guys look at that, with the seat back, we have access to the wiring and we could remove this wiring. Here's the 2 wiring, and now the seat's completely free. Here's my front passenger seat from my Alpha. Now here's the treasure that I found underneath the seat. I'm going to remove the driver's seat as well and see what's underneath that, and then it's time to clean. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.